Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today is another beautiful day. Yes guys, we are here for a party. Everybody's beautiful and handsome. We are here for the celebration of Sujan's. Yay! Sujan's baby shower. Hello guys, welcome to the party. Yvonne.
Oh, hey.
Hi Ewan. What are you eating?
Fish.
Which one? This one? Tilapia?
Yeah.
She said delicious.
No.
Masarap naman pagkain na patut hindi pa nag-umpisa, ubus na.
I want to introduce to you to Russell. She's a good cook. If you want to order pancit, okay, just look for Russell, okay? This pancit is must try. And then you forget everything, even the love of your life. Of course, Marianne right there, guys.
Bico de leche.
Yes.
Right there.
Yes. Oh, bico de leche, guys. Yes. Everybody's here talented. Eating, drinking, joking, eating, and flirting. That's Kayo, guys. Always available. And of course, the beautiful host, Grace.
Oh,
Say
hi.
hi. That's our beautiful host.
Aww.
And of course, Ate Lourdes. Say hi to Gifty, everyone. Hi to Danuta. Hi, Danuta. Cheers. And gents, Sujan is here with the family. Hi, Dad, and hi, Mom. Last Wednesday. Have a seat, please. Have a seat. Everybody's here. Yay. Cheers!
Oh, what? Yeah, push hard, Sujan.
Come on now.
Push more, Sujan. Yeah. I'm going to insert a catheter, okay? Maybe no, you when is the next? Or gifty. Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for our baby shower today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye!